what is earnest money and how much do you need? Earnest money is a gesture from the buyer to a seller in a real estate transaction. As a buyer, when you go under contract, meaning you have an accepted offer from the seller, it's the buyer's responsibility to put some skin in the game. The standard or accepted earnest money is typically 1% of the purchase price. There's no definition that says it's mandatory, but it's a good deposit. And it's held at the title company, which is a neutral party between the buyer and the seller. Now, earnest money is fully refundable, meaning that if you don't feel good about the transaction after the home inspection, which typically is within 10 to 15 days, you can cancel and get your earnest money back. However, if you try to cancel at the very end, a couple of days before closing, outside of the inspection period, the buyer will lose their earnest money. Hopefully this is helpful in explaining what earnest money is. And if you want a good strategy, if you're trying to press the seller and get your offer accepted, increasing your earnest money to a higher amount and still fits your budget and your down payment can show strength as a buyer. That's a friendly tip to get your offer accepted.